Okay, so pretty much this magic bullet right here is really cool product to use, man. I'll tell you. The glasses are nice. I'm a person that's pretty much on the go, so I take my organic green juice. I put a little scoop of that in there with 8 ounce glass of water and a little bit of ice. Mix it up into there, and it does really well. I use it for shakes. Mixing egg into my shakes in the morning and stuff like that. It works real well. It's a really good thing. I work out of the office here, and this product right here, it's a really good product. It's easy to use. You just, like you say, you put the lid on here, you know, you put that on, screw it on like that, and then you can hit that and just push down. And right now I can't do that because it's not screwed on all the way. But let me see if I can get this to screw in here all the way, and then I can put that in there. And you're just pushing down basically like that. So you're pushing it down, and you can twist it and get it to stay and chop up your stuff. You can break it out, shake it up, put it down, do this, do that. You can do that and push down on it. It's a really good product for on the go, and this thing chops up ice really well. I swear by this. I've been using it now for 2 years.